Welcome. In front of me I have iPhone 16e, and today I'll be showing you how you can back up your device. So this backup will be done strictly to your computer, or probably more precisely to the cloud, but you can choose, I think. You can also do another one to your iCloud strictly from the phone, so this is more with the use of obviously computer. Now I will be using Windows, but this will also work on a Mac, obviously, though the difference will be for Mac you just open up your File Explorer, or Finder as it's called, while on Windows you need a separate program that you can download by going into the Microsoft Store, which I'm gonna open up right now. To actually get rid of the cable, there we go. So you're gonna search for Store, and in here just search for, how is it called? Apple devices. So that's basically what we're looking for. Oh, it's been already searched for it. So you can see it right here. So that's what you need to download. iTunes is no longer the program that you use for managing your iPhones on Windows. Now you do this to the Apple devices. So once you have it installed, you can just open it up. When you plug in your device, make sure you select Trust. You do need to trust, get a pop-up on your phone, or you just select Trust, and then it will appear in here. And next, just go into the General, and then select Backup Now. And we do have the option to backup your most important data on your iPhone to the iCloud or to this computer. So for me, it's the second one that is selected, so this is the local one, and I'm just gonna select Backup Now. Now obviously you can see that the device is plugged in, which I didn't mention, but I think it goes without saying. And that's it. It's now backed up, and it also gives you an information right over here letting you know when your last backup was created. One more thing is, when you, I believe, create a first backup later on after like a day or so, if you plug it in again, the computer should, or the program more specifically, should do it automatically on its own. So you shouldn't really need to do this yourself all that much. At least iTunes used to work that way, where you plug in your device, it automatically does the backup in the background. But in any case, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.